What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Govee Aura table lamp. We're going to find out why I think this table lamp is awesome and why I recommend getting this for sure. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below, and if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then definitely consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Govee logo, as well as an image and name of the device. You also have some supported smart home features such as Google and Alexa. On the side, you have a list of product features. Once opened, the first thing you will see is documentation, which contains the user manual, followed by a small box which contains the power adapter and controller unit. Finally, towards the bottom, you have the Govee Aura table lamp. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 940 grams and has a length of 27 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and solid. On top, you have the power button, as well as the music button, which displays animations and colors each time noise is detected using the built-in mic connected to the controller unit. You also have a brightness adjustment buttons, and finally a shuffle button to cycle through the different color modes available. On front, you have the Govee logo, followed by the USB-C port towards the back in order to power the lamp. Finally, towards the bottom, you have a rubber grip to stop the lamp from sliding back and forth. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by connecting the power unit into the controller unit, and then connect the USB-C cable into the Govee lamp. The lamp should then light up. Next, navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and download the Govee app. Once downloaded, you will then be prompted with the login page. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up and create one. From here, log in and you will then be presented with the home page. Select the plus icon on the top right and then select indoor lighting to locate the Aura table lamp. Select the Aura table lamp and the app will then start locating your device. Once found, select your device and then name the table lamp. Next, connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and then enter your password. Wait for the connection to complete and you should be good to go from here. The Govee app is very easy to navigate through. Once loaded, you are presented with the home page, which contains a list of all your Govee products. When the lamp is selected, you are then presented with a bunch of features where you can turn the lamp on or off, as well as adjusting the brightness level. Towards the bottom, you have a list of features, including music, which displays lighting based on sound, color, which allows you to set solid colors, including a color wheel that can also create colors based on mood, scene, which displays a range of awesome animations, and finally DIY, which lets you create your own designs and colors. Now for a super quick demo. In this section of the video, I'm just going to go through the different scenes available, keep my mouth shut, and let the light show begin. Regarding the technical details, the Aura lamp has 16 million colors available, as well as 37 scenes which you can cycle through. The lamp has RGB IC technology and has a max brightness of 6500K. Finally, the lamp also has smart home support, which can be connected to your smart home products, including Alexa and Google Home. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, the Govee Aura table lamp is the perfect device to add to your desktop setup. The lamp comes built in with a bunch of features, and I love the different scenes and animations available. The colors are super bright and well saturated, and the setup process was super easy. Is there anything I don't like about this? Well, not really to be honest guys. The Govee Aura table lamp comes highly recommended, and is a device that you should definitely add to your home for sure. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Govee Aura table lamp from Amazon for around £70, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on the Govee Aura table lamp, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.